Preliminary findings suggest Miller Gardner died peacefully in his sleep after inhaling a strong dose of poisonous carbon monoxide. Investigators theorize the deadly dose may have come from a machine room adjacent to the room Miller, his father, former Yankee outfielder Brett Gardner, his mother and brother were vacationing at the Arenas del Mar beachfront and rainforest resort along the Pacific coast of Costa Rica. Although the family claimed they felt slightly ill after it was initially suggested they had a bout of food poisoning, there were no symptoms of impending death. Dr. Matthew Harris is medical director of emergency preparedness at Cone's Children's Medical Center, who understands the deadly nature of carbon monoxide.
Carbon monoxide is a gas that competes with oxygen to be transported around your body. So it chokes the body of oxygen and deprives vital organs like your brain and your heart of the oxygen it needs to survive.
Upon examination, high levels of carbon monoxide were detected in the family's hotel room. One of the problems with the toxic substance is that you cannot smell it or taste it.
So you don't know that it's happening until you begin to have symptoms of headache, nausea, irritability. At high enough levels, it can give you such a decreased level of consciousness that you stop breathing.
In tribute to their son, the Gardner family has said of Miller, he lived life to the fullest every single day. And they said they're now struggling to come to terms with life without him and his infectious smile. Since you can't see it or feel it, carbon monoxide poisoning is preventable.
You can prevent it by getting carbon monoxide alarms and making sure that they're not expired, that they're plugged in, and that, again, most importantly, don't ignore them if they go off.